Hi, I'm a.bouja with Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty. Today we're at one of my newest listings located at 14936 Donner Drive in the Cambrian Park neighborhood of San Jose. Please come inside and take a look. Where else can you find 5 bedrooms plus an office, top-rated schools, over 17,000 square foot lot with an amazing pool ready for summer? Thank you for joining us today. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly.